Is schizophrenia a valid legal defense? Have you ever wondered how mental health issues intersect with the legal system? Today, we will explore whether schizophrenia can serve as a valid legal defense. Schizophrenia can indeed be a valid legal defense in certain situations, especially when it relates to the concepts of insanity or diminished capacity. The insanity defense is a legal approach that argues a defendant was unable to understand the moral wrongfulness of their actions due to a severe mental illness like schizophrenia. This does not guarantee that a person will be acquitted. Instead, it may lead to a commitment to a mental health facility for treatment rather than serving time in prison. To successfully argue that schizophrenia is a valid defense, the burden of proof rests with the defense. They must show that the mental illness impaired the defendant's ability to distinguish right from wrong at the time of the crime. This often involves expert testimony from mental health professionals who can confirm that the defendant meets the legal criteria for insanity. Another related legal strategy is the diminished capacity defense. This defense looks at whether the mental health condition affected the defendant's ability to form the intent necessary for committing a specific crime. It acknowledges that while the act may have been committed, the defendant's mental state prevented them from fully understanding or forming the intent required for that crime. For families supporting a loved one with schizophrenia, understanding these legal defenses is vital. When a family member faces criminal charges, knowing how schizophrenia can be used in legal arguments helps families navigate the criminal justice system. This knowledge can ensure that their loved ones receive the appropriate treatment rather than punishment when applicable. Families should seek legal counsel experienced in mental health defenses. This expertise can help ensure that the legal system recognizes how schizophrenia impacts a defendant's actions. It can lead to a fair resolution that prioritizes treatment over punishment when appropriate. In summary, schizophrenia can be a valid legal defense under certain circumstances. It is essential for families to understand these legal options and seek the right support to navigate the complexities of the criminal justice system.